I finally arrived at my secondary codes and I realized I could collapse them and put the other information behind them. And I honestly, after following stakeholder input, saw that the key things that were mentioned and that stakeholders really cared about were highly qualified art teachers, curriculum that was based on historical and contemporary art, global perspectives, 21st century applications, social and emotional learning, creative development, high interest lessons, and student driven classrooms. So those were the top two, and then administrative support and district support were close after that. So I arranged them and analyzed what the primary concerns were and eliminated the other subgroups of information, which really was coming from me. And you might remember I mentioned in the beginning that I knew I was biased. So these were the areas that stakeholders were most concerned with.